Okay, so my problem is my arm got chopped off by the lizard. The lizard has done everything to me. He has killed me. My other kind, not me. He even tried to cut off my arm, and he did. If you can see that. And you can. So, what we're going to do is going to patch it up. I don't think it's going to work, but we're going to patch it up. Ready? Alright, we'll be back after a short second. What is it? Sorry if you hear all this. You're not meant to hear all this, by the way. I'm just trying to pull out all of this stuff that I brought home. Alright. Alright, people, I'm ready for the next scene. Cool. This scene is over, so I'm moving on to the next scene. The next scene is Spiderman meets Optimus Prime. Hello. There you go. Hey, Spider-Man. Oh, hey, Optimus. You need any help in the city? No, I'm fine. Are you sure? Because your arm looks pretty, slabby. I might need a little help, yeah. Alright, I'll take you back to the lab. 3 hours later. Hello? Yes, come in, yeah, come in. Come in. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Let me get off my bike. Okay, hey Optimus. Let's go. Let's Let's go. Ah. Hey, is that guy filming us? Get out! Oh, sorry guys. I know this is my video. I just got a little bit bruised. And I got a little bit crazy to the head. Next scene. Hello, Mr. Monkey. Hello, Spider-Man. We meet once again. We meet once again, don't we? Yeah. Okay, Spider-Man. What did you do this time? I broke my arm. As you can see, my arm got cut off by the lizard. Where is that punk? Where is that punk? Probably in the sewers. I don't know. Okay, if he's in the sewers, that means we gotta go down deep. That's what she said. But, I've heard that down in the sewers there is a secret base that holds treasure. There is? Yes. Wait. Optimus, you've heard of this? Oh, shit. Optimus, you've heard of this? Yes, I've been there down many times. But you would have gotten electrocuted down there. I know. That's why I wore a protective overlap condom over my body. Okay, this conversation just got awkward very quick. Alright, yeah, I'm going back into my car. Alright, are you ready to go, Spider-Man? Let's go. Meanwhile, in the sewers.
I can't believe I broke that Spider-Man's arm off. Yes, I did. Shut up, Connors.
Hello? 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 Someone's here.
Intruders. Shut up, Connors.
Wait. We gotta put an end to this, once and for all. Spider-Man!
Spider-Man, what are you doing this time?
Gonna blow you up. Ugh. We win! Yay! Okay, so where's the treasure? Where's the treasure? Ooh! We got the treasure. We got the treasure. We got the treasure. We got the treasure. The police. Hey guys, I hope you liked my funny action figures video. I know it's 10 minutes long, so yeah, I hope you liked it, and make sure you leave a like and comment below. And these are all my toys from when I was little, so yeah, hope you like this video. Peace on the streets. Bye.